Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris and I manage an online portfolio of websites, niche sites, e-commerce sites. So if you like this content, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. So I'm gonna show you real quick how to remove the background using Canva. It's super easy. So basically here's a picture, and this is gonna come handy if you use product photography or even on your blog sites if you just want to manipulate the image. But you basically just come here, you click on that, we're going to go to edit photo, then you come to background remover, and boom, that's it. Then you can do all kinds of things here, like that. Even add those backgrounds. You can then come back to the picture and you can do shadows if you want to. So that's how easy it is, guys. So thanks a lot for coming to this channel, and maybe later on in other videos I'll come back and show you some other cool things that you can do with images.